Hey everyone, here's another unboxing video from Hot Wheels and Matchbox. This is, I was just down in Toledo, picked this up. This is just some mixed cars from some different lots that I ended up winning. Let's dive in here and see what we got. This particular lot I really liked was this 68 Camaro. The black roof, hood's still there. I'll get that dirt out of the interior and stuff. Clean it up well. It looks red, and it probably is red, but there's a tint underneath there that I have to go and get my magnifying glass out and take a look underneath. That could be rose, possibly. I want to break that hood. One of the hood pins might be broken. The cowl's bent down there a little bit. But there could be, I don't know that it's hot pink. There's something underneath there. And I don't think it's over chrome. But I'm going to look at that one a lot closer because color makes all the difference in the world with that one as far as valuation goes. So that one goes up there. It is a little late tonight, so bear with me as I go through this. I want to try to get a couple of these posted at least so that I can process the cars pretty quick and get them out of my Etsy channel too. So this lot, the next lot, is the 70 TNT Bird, 70 TNT Bird. Again, decent spring still left in the steps, some coloration. That is definitely green. 1971 Hot Wheels TNT Bird. Not a whole lot there. It's about a 25-30% car. But that'll be a good affordable car for somebody as well too. We've got a couple of different collections here, but let's go in and see what we got here. Open up this bag, take out the car. We have the 1971 Light My Firebird, purple. Glass is still there. Interior is good. I'll be able to get that cleaned up a little bit. Get the sticker, of course, taken off of it. Who cares about that? It's probably about a 20% car, roughly 20-25 maybe. It is a Hong Kong purple. Light My Firebird. Another baggie here. Let's open it up. This is an interesting one too. This is the Maxi Taxi. Now the suspension shot on it pretty well wore out. It's about a 10% car. Might be 15 at most. Probably a 10% car for me. We'll get that processed out on the Etsy channel. A lot of people collect cutlasses. That's a cutlass. Maxi Taxi. Oh, this car just screamed at me. Buy me, buy me, buy me. The chrome Mustang. Now the Barracuda chrome is worth more. The Cuda is worth more than the Mustang. This has a really sharp base as well too. Really nice chrome all the way across. Hong Kong car. Mustang Boss Hoss. With the beautiful wheels too. If you're looking for a nice chrome Boss Hoss, this one is really, really sharp. Get that processed tomorrow too. Let's see what else. We've got some more baggies here. Let's get these baggies opened up at the very least. That way I don't have to stop opening up baggies. Please hold. An operator will be with you shortly. Your call is very important to us. This is another interesting card here too. All right. So I got the three cars unpackaged, and I'm going to open up this lot of matchboxes as well too. A little bit of tape here, so let's work through the tape. Come on, tape. There we go. And we're going to set these down in the box as well too. Give you some kind of an idea what's coming up. Some fire trucks coming up. All right, got everything unpackaged in this box now. So we had some more Matchbox cars. Nothing there. We'll just scrap that one out. This is the, it's actually pretty darn nice as well too, when you look at it. This is the, I forget what they call that. What do they call that? Gotta get up there for my eyes. The crane truck. And it does have its hook. It is a plastic. No, that's a metal hook. It's a metal hook. Orange boom. Silver. In really good shape too. Nice colorations. Got a few, we've got some black spots on it for some reason. See what we can't do about them. Somebody took a marker to it. Such a nice truck, but unfortunately somebody took a marker to it. We'll set that back down too, but it's worth something. Fire truck. Really, really nice. Just needs to be cleaned up. Really nice patina. Look at that. No rust on those axles at all. That's a good truck. And this is why I bought the lot as well too. You'll see, whoop, ding, we got gray wheels, gray knobby wheels. Very interesting. It's worth more than the other truck down there because it's got the gray knobby wheels. But unfortunately, somebody's also taken a little bit of marker to this one too. It'll still do well because it is the gray wheel, which is a tough truck to find. And we have the sand drifter. Now his windshield's down a little bit, but we'll be able to get him back up there. Heat it up a little bit and I'll be able to put it right back where it needs to be. It's very close to where it needs to be right now, actually. But sand drifter, again, red line, Hot Wheels. I think that's 1974, 1975. I think it's the green color that's the tougher one. It might be the yellow. I have to double check on that. But sand drifter, decent shape too. It's probably about a 35–40% car. We'll double check on colors and rarity as well too. This was another good chrome car. The black wall, but unfortunately there's a little bit of rust on it. It's okay. These are always in huge demand. I always sell these just within a week of them going on Etsy. They just run out the door because there's a lot of people collecting these. Then patina is really, really nice there. A lot of detail still left in that car. And suspension is good. And then last in this box for this video is the Javelin 1970, I believe it is. Might be 69 off the top of my head. I think it's 69 AMC Javelin. This car, again, it looks red. And I'd say that this one is red. I have to, well, see, there is some color difference there. When you get in there, you see that ray of pink in there. I'm going to have to pay attention to this one and there's a little bit of ray of pink up there. It's interesting. I'm going to have to look at this one really, really closely to figure out what color it actually is. Unfortunately, it's got scratches and stuff, but I'll look at the color and try to figure out exactly what that color is, because there's definitely some kind of a tinge underneath that. It might be a toned pink, a toned salmon. I'll have to get in there and take a look at it. It could be rose, but I'll get in there and there's definitely a lot of pink. See, even in the wheel wells there's pink in there. Or in the window well, sorry, there's pink in there. So thanks for watching this box. I'll do some research on these cars. They'll eventually be up on my Etsy channel at Mr. Diecast, and you'll be able to buy along. Thanks for watching.